game passing the parcel ever? I'm sure you must have done it at some point of time in your life. We all have kind of, played that game many a times. Passing the parcel game is a very nice and easy way to understand how universe works. When you pass that parcel or maybe a pillow to one person, say sitting on your right, you will get it at the end from someone sitting on your left. There your demand is not to get it from the same person, right? Now how does it apply to universe? And it's working. When we do certain good to someone in our life, maybe a family member, maybe a friend, this was the karmic entitlement that you are supposed to help that person. But expecting good from that same person is something, you are not playing by the rules. You may or may not get it from the same person as the parcel, right? So giving is something natural for us. Keeping it to ourselves is not going to grow that corpus. Say for example, if we take money, if you just keep it to yourself, no, I am very stingy, मेरे से कोई पैसा निकाल नहीं सकता है, then somehow if you are not giving or not helping people around, if you are not giving with pleasure, universe will anyhow make you pay. So all those bills which are not pleasurable bills, say like penalties or like extra taxes, and then maybe doctor's bill, lawyer's bill, all these, with all due respect to all these people, something that you're paying out of pleasure is different. Something when you're paying, when you're supposed to pay, not out of pleasure, but oh my god, why this happened to me, that is the time, that is the amount you are supposed to help others with. And if you fail to do that, universe will anyhow take care of it. So next time when you feel no, this amount I should save for my rainy days, good. I mean, not save for rainy days, save for pleasure, save for your vacations, but a part of your income, part of your whatever good you have, you can do, give it to others. Because when we stop giving, we stop growing. That is the sentence that stop giving and you stop growing. Giving is the way that you're allowing that abundance to flow through you. We are just the medium to do that. How much ever we feel, this is mine, but we are still the medium to do that good. So don't stop yourself from doing that good. We are all here to do divinity's work of greater good. Unless we are expecting everyone to be happy, unless we are doing our bit, our contribution for this planet, some part of our life would be definitely incomplete. This is how universe works. I remember when I was young, my grandmother used to talk about, giving, like putting some amount, maybe weekly or like sometimes fortnightly or sometimes monthly, and then giving it to a particular like worshipping place so that they can do some good out of it. Do it whichever way you feel. But giving is something which helps us growing. If we stop giving, we stop growing. One more story that I'm recalling right now is this. It's about a lady who was staying in a village, and a guru or maybe a saint used to come to her door daily, asking for some food and all, or some money, whatever way she could help. And she used to always open the door and say, I don't have anything, and she'll shut the door. One disciple with that saint will always crib about why we have to come to this lady's house. And he would not say anything. That saint wouldn't say anything. And he'll just do that ritual of coming daily and then still not getting anything. One day that lady told that saint, I have ashes left in my stove. Earlier time they used to burn those, branches and all to cook food. Should I give you those ashes? I have only ashes with me. And then that saint said, yes, okay, give it to me. And that lady literally took those ashes from that stove thing, and then she gave it to that saint. Now this disciple lost his cool. He's like, why on this planet you have to take ashes from her? And saint's reply was very simple. I just wanted this lady to start with practice of giving. Once you start giving, slowly when you start growing, you will not realize in some time you will have abundance of what you have been giving. Today also you have abundance of what you have been giving. Complaints, cribbing, sulking, jealousy, everything that we have been giving as an emotion out has been coming back to us. So this is the time to change our practice for our own good, simply as our own good. Start as a practice till the time it becomes your lifestyle. Start giving. That is the only way to grow. Make people, help them with the way you can. For people who need health, if you need health, you can't give health, but you can help others to be healthy. If you want money, start with your charities with good intention. And if you have relationship issues, start blessing people whose relationships are good. Not being jealous of them, just bless them with good health. And this will help you to be there. That is the only way universe works. Give what you want the most. Give and grow. Thank you.